Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create the store on Shopify, about website themes and templates business, easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can here skip all this if you want. I'm gonna skip this and let's continue. Choose an account, and after this wait a few seconds to for building this website, this store. So the first thing you have to do now, you go to the online store. You go to the online store and click themes, where you can change them if you want. So you can choose whatever you want here. So for me, I'm gonna just skip this, the down theme. Select any theme you want and wait a few seconds to install in the theme. So once the theme is installed, you can publish it, and after this you can customize it on your home page. Now which will take you to your home page store. So here you can change the style of your home page. You can make it like a desktop like this, or like a mobile style, or like full screen style. So for me, I'm gonna just keep it like this. So this is the settings where you can design your homepage store. So here we have the header, the announcements bar. You can change here the color scheme. You can show separate line. You can show icons on desktop. You can also turn this on, auto change announcements. You can enable country and region selector, and also you can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the text. If you want, you can pass a link or search for something like collections, or for example, I'm gonna select all collections. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the header section. Here you can change the desktop logo position. You can also change the main menu. You can here change the desktop menu type. You can change the sticky header. Here you can show separate line. You can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme. Also here you can turn this on, enable country and region selector and enable language selector. Here you can manage the mobile layout. You can edit the spacing and the section padding, the top and the bottom. Here you can change the theme settings. You can enable search suggestions, and here you can put your social media links, your Twitter link, or your Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram, or whatever you want to add here. Now let's move on to the logo. Here you can select your logo. You have to select your logo from your own library. So for example, let's search on it on the browser. Website themes and templates. Logo idea like this. So for example, you can choose from here. For example, I'm gonna choose this. Of course you have to add your logo from your library. This is just for example. So this is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time you want. You can change it at any time. Here you can manage the desktop logo width and the vertical offset. So let's get back. Let's move on now to the next section, the image banner. So here you can add the first image. So for example, let's select the image on the browser. So for example, choose whatever you want from here. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. Now this is the first image. You can add the second image if you want. Here, this is the image overlay opacity. You can change it. You can change the banner height. Also, you can edit the desktop content position. You can show container on desktop. Also, you can change the color scheme. You can manage the animations and the mobile layout. You can turn this on, stock image on mobile and show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next heading. You can generate the text. Just describe what this text is about. For example, website themes. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. You can change the heading size. Now let's move on to the buttons. The buttons here, you can change the first button label and the first button link. And if you already added the second image, you can add here the second button label and the second button link. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the next section, the featured collection. Also here you can generate the text. Just describe what this text is about. So website themes. So for example this, you can edit the heading size. Also here just describe what this text is about and you can add your description. Show collection description from the admin. You can add it, change the description style. You can change the collection. Here you can make product full width and you can enable view all if collection has more product than shown. Also you can enable carousel on desktop. You can change the product card. Here you can show second image on hover and you can show vendor, can show product rating, and also you can enable quick add buttons. So that's it. If you want to add something new on your home page, click here and select what kind of section you want to add. For example, hashtags or collection list or image with the text as you like. So that's it. Now let's move on to the last section of the website, the footer section, the color scheme. You can change it. You can change the email sign up. You can show email sign up. You can add the hidden generated text. Just describe what this text is about. You can enable follow and shop. So after you're done from designing your website, now the next move is save this and let's go to the dashboard. So let's go to the home page, the home. So here after you add your first product and then purchase, after you add a custom domain and after you add the sharing details, the next move is name your store. So here you can name it, type any name you want. Now add your store phone and here you can change the store email. So that's it. Now let's save this. You can set up a payments provider and you can set your shipping rates here. And after this, after you customizing your online store, now only you have to launch your online store and publish it. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you and thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.